Transforming your next project with RILICO's formidable formwork innovation. Introducing RILICO's FORRASIA Formwork Systems, a groundbreaking solution set to revolutionize your next construction project. At RILICO, we're reshaping the construction landscape with our cutting-edge FORRASIA Formwork Systems. With over 4 decades of experience, our commitment to quality and innovation is unwavering. Discover the future of construction with RILICO's state-of-the-art formwork solutions. FORRASIA Modular Elastic Edge Plywood Modules. Launched in 2023, the Modular Elastic Edge Plywood Module effectively reduces seams between formwork panels during assembly, preventing cement mortar loss and ensuring smooth, aesthetically pleasing concrete surfaces. Post-demolding, the elastic edge protects the wooden formwork from impacts, significantly extending its lifespan and reducing costs. FORRASIA Lightweight Formwork System. Designed for the Asian construction market, this system includes wall, column, beam, and horizontal early stripping formwork. Its nail-free design enhances construction efficiency, preserves plywood usability, reduces labor intensity, improves site cleanliness, and lowers overall costs. FORRASIA Heavy-Duty Formwork System. Comprising climbing, cantilever, single-sided, and large-area formwork, this system includes 150 components like H20 wooden beams and 10 sharp channel steel. Certified to EU standards, it offers high rigidity and mechanization, ideal for large-scale projects such as high-rise buildings, public structures, bridges, dams, nuclear power plants, and LNG facilities. RILICO's FORRASIA Formwork Systems represent a fusion of tradition and innovation, setting new benchmarks in the construction industry. Elevate your projects with precision, efficiency, and reliability. When construction excellence is non-negotiable, choose RILICO. Inquire now to learn more about how RILICO's FORRASIA Formwork Systems can transform your next construction project. With over 44 years of excellence, RILICO, the inventor of PP plastic plywood and FORRASIA Formwork Systems, stands as a pioneer in the plywood industry. Trusted in 54 countries by over 240 customers and counting, RILICO delivers unmatched product quality, service integrity, and environmental sustainability. Experience the RILICO difference in every project. RILICO, your trusted global plywood supplier and manufacturer. Contact us today.